Hello everyone, in this video, we will create a chatbot for Telegram using the Python programming language. Bots are incredibly useful nowadays and can assist us in various tasks. The bot we will create will be able to respond to our messages and also process the photos we send to it. Let's get started. First, let's set up a virtual environment and install the necessary libraries. To work with the Telegram bot, we will install the Dialog library, and for image processing, we will install Pillow. In addition to that, we will import the IO module to create a temporary buffer for the uploaded image. We will also need the OS module to remove the temporary file after sending the photo. Now let's create an instance of the Dialog class. This instance will be used to interact with the Telegram API. Don't forget to provide your bot's token, which you can obtain when creating the bot in BotFather. Next, we will create a handler for the start command and write a function that will receive a message from the user and respond with "Hello, I am a bot." And let's create another handler that will respond to messages by duplicating the text. Let's test how our bot works. Great, the bot is working. Now let's write a handler to work with photos. Now let's retrieve information about the last sent photo using the getFile method of the bot. Next, we need to open the photo file using the open method from the image module, passing the content as a byte stream. Using the invert function from the ImageOps module, we will invert the colors of the photo. Then, we'll give a name to the image, save it to the specified temporary path, open the file, and send it to the user using the send photo method. After sending the photo, we will delete the previously created temporary file using the remove function from those module. Great, now it's time to test our bot. Certainly, customizing the bot to perform more advanced photo processing tasks, such as applying Instagram or Facebook-like filters, can be a fascinating and valuable addition. It allows users to enhance their photos with creative effects directly through the bot. If you're interested in exploring this approach further, feel free to leave a comment or suggest specific filter effects you'd like to see implemented. Your feedback and suggestions are always welcome.